In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low-quality exports in Canva on PC step by step. Let's get started. First, open Canva and finish your video project. Once you're ready, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Then click on Download. Now, here's where most people make mistakes. By default, Canva may not export your video in the best quality, so make sure the file type is set to MP4 video. Next, check the quality settings. If you see an option for resolution, always select the highest available quality. Now, here's something many people don't know. If your original images or videos are low quality, Canva cannot improve them. So make sure you're using high-resolution media inside your project. Also, avoid stretching images too much, because that will make them blurry after export. Another important tip is to check your video dimensions. If your design size is too small, your export will also look low quality. Try using standard sizes like 1920 by 1080 for best results. Once everything is set, click Download and wait for Canva to process your video. And that's it. Your video should now export in much better quality. I hope this helped you fix a common problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips.